You can tell me your name and like where you're from and what you're doing in the Netherlands.
Hi, my name is Ma Lihua. I come from China. I stay here for 1 year for my PhD study in UNESCO IHE. My area, my major now is hydroinformatics. It comes from that. But I think that my area is about river basin in China. It's very dry area, and I'm studying about the water utilization about that area, because water is very important to people living dry area. Yeah.
So will you try to bring more water in through your studies? Or?
No, some kind of how you supply to people,
like
for irrigation, for industry,
like distribution.
Yeah,
so you're saying
some
distribution.
kind of distribution, and also that area is threatened by the reserves. We want to know the water we have now can continue how many years or something like that. Yeah.
Are you doing a joint program? Like, you're in a PhD program there, and then you're here just studying for 1 year?
Yeah, it's more about my PhD study, but I think the fund is come from the China government. Yeah.
So you're here studying only for your PhD, your research, essentially.
Yeah.
Very cool. So how are you linked up with the tour group? Are you linked up with this tour from UNESCO? Is that how you found out to come to all these places with us?
You mean how I found the UNESCO IHE?
No, well, that too, but how did you find this exact group that we're going around on the bus and looking at everything? Were you linked up with that through UNESCO?
Because I'm a kind of new man in there, sure. So my professor advised me it's maybe very helpful to see around and maybe can give some learn and open mind.
So your professor suggested to come.
Yeah.
Very cool. And have you seen anything that's interesting to you that you think you'll be able to use?
Yeah, it's very wonderful trip, and of course except the weather. But I think the all huge project is. I think it's a lot of people and a lot of things you need to consider, and really technology, science or something else, and also they influence me very much about they consider about the ecology and the environment and the birds, fish, and something else. But I think there are not too much in China, so that thing maybe we need to improve something.
I'm sure we do.
Yeah.